Here's an overview of departments. Departments have a unique role at FTx. Every item must live in a department, and that department carries certain attributes such as the tax implications, the age verification, excise tax values, and so on and so forth. The first screen is going to show a list of all your current departments with the name, number, default margin, department group, POS flag when they were created and updated. To edit a department, I can simply click the department here or choose the edit icon. To remove a department, I would click the delete icon. However, if items are currently assigned to this department, they cannot be removed. To add a new department, I would choose Add New. Let's look at the details. When adding a department, you're taken to the details screen. Here we have the department name. This is the description you want to appear when running reports against that department. The department group is kind of like an umbrella for various departments and is used for reporting and filtering. The disclaimer. Here you can choose a disclaimer to appear whenever a product from this department is sold. The disclaimer is going to print on the receipt. Common disclaimers are things like your warranty period or return period or any additional information that the customer needs to know about the item. POS description. If this is empty, the receipt will simply show the name if an item from this department is sold. And finally, the department number. This is an integer that must be unique to this department. Options. The POS flag defines things such as the tax implications and the age required for the sale. Open department minimum and maximums. If you allow open department sales of this department, what is the minimum amount and maximum amount allowed? Maximum discount. If you allow manual discounts, what is the maximum discount allowed for this department? Discount percent on damaged. If you're using our return forms and a return item is flagged as damaged, what is the default discount percent for items in this department? Target margin. Whatever value entered here is used to back into and determine the cost of any item sold in this department without a cost, such as open department sales. Quantity on hand reorder point. The value entered here is used for the reorder algorithm to determine the reorder point for items in this department. Override order days. Here you can specify the order days to override for items in this department when creating orders. The default is override, however you can also increase or decrease based on this value. For example, if I choose to increase and I choose 3 and I create an order for let's say 10 days, items in this department will get an additional 3 days of evaluation, so they'll get a total of 13 days. Include in transfers. If enabled, items in this department can be included in transfers. Can evaluate for transfers. If enabled, items in this department can be evaluated for transfers. Add to sales. If enabled, sales from this department will be shown in the sales report. If disabled, those items by default will not be shown. Common examples would be any sort of fees or any charitable donations you do through your register. Allow returns. If enabled, returns are allowed for items in this department. Non-tax. If enabled, items in this department by default won't be charged sales tax. Is lottery. If enabled, items in this department are considered lottery items. Allow sales for $0. You can use your global setting or have a custom setting of yes or no. Based on the setting you choose, $0 sales will be allowed or disallowed. Accounts. Here you can enter in your various accounting codes used when exporting or integrating in with our accounting partners. You have your sales account, your cost of goods sold account, your inventory account, your returns account, shrink, adjustments, and excise tax accounts. And finally, house accounts. When enabled, here you can choose up to 5 levels to discount house account customers. Department groups. Department groups are like an umbrella or parent to departments. Here you can see your existing department groups and create new ones. To create a department group, I'll click Add New, and the only thing it prompts me for is the name.